Hey guys, another week, another game dev vlog, and this week, it's been a little weird. I've been working on a variety of different things. Of course, I have worked on Everybody at Universe a little bit, Alex has as well. The stuff that I've been doing on Everybody at Universe has mostly been to do with smileys, so I now have the systems to be able to load in smiley graphics. I bake them onto an atlas to draw from later. I can switch smileys as a player, and currently it's only swapping bases. We don't have any accessories in just yet, and actually the smiley graphics themselves aren't entirely final, so we're not going to worry about showing them just yet. Luke is actually finished with the exam, so he's actually getting back to work on Everybody at Universe stuff, which is going to be really helpful in getting the account systems in, getting the physics bugs fixed, and just everything to do with all that. I'll be continuing work on user interface, more rendering stuff, and all of that. Oh, and to do with those rendering issues that I was experiencing in Chrome especially, I did realize that one fix to that issue was to not use any absolute or relative positioning in the CSS for that one transformed element for the UI. By positioning it with a negative margin, that fixes the depth sorting issues it was having, so it's at least good enough for now. We may move to a canvas-based renderer or something like what I was talking about in the future, but for now it's best to focus on gameplay, and we can worry about that when we get there. Outside of Everybody at Universe stuff, I have worked on some other things as well. So I've been working on that new version of NoMore, which isn't NoMore exactly. I kind of talked about that last week. But on that, I have gotten the basic stuff for rendering levels, all the tiles, but I haven't gotten interactivity in just yet. I'll be working on that next, making levels playable and starting to get levels in, because as I said, I need to get this game done as quick as possible. That way it's out of the way, and I can move on to extraction. So, yeah, there's also other stuff working on, like, to do with my branding, actually, because while I do like how my branding looks right now, I just don't think it quite matches the style that I see in my mind when I think about the stuff I want to do. So I'm working on that. I actually have some interesting concepts right now, and you'll see that soon enough once I get the changes done. And also we're doing similar stuff with Live Studios. So the overall branding on Live Studios is pretty good. I do like the idea behind it. We're definitely starting to take it a bit more seriously. We've got a much better font going to be used in the logo rather than that generic looking sans serif font that we got right now. The logo emblem itself is going to get some refinements, and the website is going to get a massive overhaul. We don't do anything crazy, we don't need a really complex site, but we need something that really demonstrates who we are and the kind of stuff that we make and puts that front and center, because the current site, the front page looks alright, it doesn't focus enough on the games, and it feels kind of bland in the descriptions, but the games page looks, well, very old-fashioned and not very sleek. So we should have these changes done throughout this next month of July. It's hard to believe we're already getting to that point, because we're already pretty much halfway through the year now. So yeah, 2019 is flying by. Things are getting done. It's just all sorts of weird pacing to the whole year. There's other stuff working on as well, but I'll talk about that over the next few weeks. So yeah, anyway, I guess that is going to have to be it for today. So as always, you really like my contributors over on Patreon. It really is a massive help. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is down in the description below. And of course, I'm going to thank everybody at its patrons as well. So yeah, I'll see you around. Goodbye.